Welcome to another episode of Health Basket. Today we will see the topic like how to manage the menstrual cramps while the child or while the girl is in a school, office or in a workplace. First we have to see why these menstrual cramps are occurring. See, normal menstrual cramps with normal pain is normal for all the ladies, or it is a physiological condition. But when the menstrual cramps are excessive, then it becomes a pathological condition. We call it as dysmenorrhea. So we have to see why this dysmenorrhea is occurring. So mainly we have to see the causes why this dysmenorrhea is occurring. It can be due to faulty lifestyles, or it can be due to some underlying conditions like endometriosis or any other problems, PID or any PCOD conditions, or any hormonal imbalance can also lead to dysmenorrhea. So we have to treat the underlying condition if the pains are very severe. But if it is just the normal cramps which occurs in every lady, so to manage these cramps, they can have 1 spoon of fenugreek. Fenugreek is known to control or balance the hormones, so it will be very helpful for them. And also they can have 1 cup of ginger tea. This ginger tea will help to soothe the compressions or the cramps in the girl. Another easy remedy for these menstrual cramps is to take Gulkand. Gulkand is a mixture of rose petals and sugar. This Gulkand is very helpful in strengthening the uterus, and so the menstrual cramps will be reduced. And also this Gulkand is a laxative. Better the girls should avoid any junk foods or any preserved foods during this time of the periods. Flax seeds are also another helpful remedy. If they take 1 spoon of flax seeds throughout the month, what flax seeds will do is, it is very rich in protein and it also has omega fatty acids in them. It is known to cure the PCOD problem. So in case the menstrual cramps are due to the PCOD problem, so by taking the flax seeds, it will be very helpful for them. Also take oil baths. Oil baths, if they take like 2 or 3 days before the periods, then this menstrual cramps, the intensity of the cramps can be reduced.
Health tips for healthy life. For more such health tips from our senior doctors, subscribe to Health Basket YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified. Stay connected to us through our social platform. Protect yourself from the COVID-19 pandemic by building your immune system. Let us join hands to make the world healthy.